Hello guys! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng isang traditional chicken recipe here in Taiwan. Steamed chicken with sesame oil and ginger. So ayan guys, luto na yung nakikita nyo. So in this video, panood nyo kung paano ko ito ginawa. So stay tuned in! Hello guys, magandang buhay. So for today's video guys, luto tayo ng isang traditional chicken recipe here in Taiwan. So as you can see guys, meron tayong ginger and meron tayong chicken, and we have here the sesame oil. Ayan, sesame oil. So this recipe is chicken sesame oil. And so, but before that guys, kailangan nating pakuluan yung chicken. So, nag-boil tayo ng water dyan para mas malinis yung chicken meat natin pag niluluto natin siya later. Steamed chicken with sesame oil, Taiwan recipe. So, that's it guys. So, ayan guys, kumulo na siya. Lagay lang natin ang chicken. Pakuluan lang natin siya ng mga ilang minuto lang. Just to remove the yung mga 30-30 na minute guys. Alam nyo na yung nagluluto tayo rin siya mga bubbles. Antayin natin na kumulo siya ng kaunting oras. So ayan guys, kumulo na siya guys. So ayan yung sinasabi natin na ayan, madumi siya. So yan ang purpose niyan guys, kung bakit kailangan natin pakuluan ng kahit anong meat na lulutuin natin para ma-remove yung dirty na yun guys, yung mula na yun. So, para mas malinis yung ating karne. So, ayan. So, ayan naga ang chicken natin guys. Dahil pinakuluan ko na siya, malinis na siya, hinugasan ko na rin siya. So, ilagay na natin yung ginger guys. So, ito na yung ginger. Ginger lang ang kailangan natin. I-spread natin siya dito sa chicken. So, just like that guys. And then, asin, salt. So, tansyahin natin guys na kaya siyang maging salty. Kung gaano kadami yung niluluto mo. So, ikaw na magtansya nun guys kung how much salt you will put to the chicken. And then, lagay natin ang sesame oil. White sesame oil. So, busin natin ito. Kasi ang recipe na to guys is steamed chicken with sesame oil. So, no need to put water guys kasi alam naman natin ang chicken meron siyang sariling water yan. So, dahil kaunti lang yung white, inubos natin yung sesame oil. Dagdagan natin ng another kind of sesame oil. Pure sesame oil. So, lagyan natin ulit. Ayan, So, ayan. So, okay na yan, guys. May salt na siya, may ginger. So, ready to steam na siya, guys. So, ayan, guys. Ito na yung steamer natin. Ayan. So, lagyan na natin tong ating chicken. And then, let's put the cover. So, that's it. Okay. So, hintayin natin siya hanggang sa matapos. Para makita natin later ang ating steamed chicken recipe with sesame oil and ginger. Charan! So, this is it guys. This is our steamed chicken with sesame oil and ginger recipe. Okay, so as I tell you before guys, is the meat, the chicken has its own water, so no need to put. And then guys, if you want the meat become soft, just steam again. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Bye!